Imagine strapping a device to your face and watching the physical walls of your room completely melt away, replaced by an entirely new reality that looks, feels, and moves exactly like the physical world around you. For years, the tech industry has treated spatial computing and virtual reality as a novel gimmick. We bought the bulky headsets, we tolerated the blurry lenses, we laughed at the cartoonish avatars, and we accepted the heavy plastic straps that left red marks on our skin after 30 minutes of use. We convinced ourselves that looking at a flat computer monitor or a tiny smartphone screen was the absolute peak of human communication and digital immersion. We thought we were connected to the internet. We were completely wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. What is quietly happening right now is not an incremental update to a gaming accessory. It is an absolute, hostile takeover of how humans will interact with data, entertainment, and each other for the next 50 years. This is the Meta Quest 4, and it is built to permanently split our perception of reality in two. To truly understand why this sleek, impossibly light visor is causing an absolute panic across the boardrooms of traditional tech giants, you have to look past the minimalist industrial design. You have to look directly into the deep psychological disruption it causes the moment you slide it over your eyes. The tech world has crossed an invisible line where the boundary between a digital pixel and a real-world photon has completely vanished. Built on an ultra-refined, next-generation spatial silicon platform, the Quest 4 compresses a terrifying amount of computational power into a chassis that feels practically weightless on your head. But spec sheets and processor names don't matter. What matters is the immediate, breathless sensation when you realize your physical hands are manipulating digital objects in mid-air with zero latency, zero lag, and absolute pixel-perfect precision. Think about the everyday limitations of your current physical workspace. You are limited by the size of your desk, the width of your plastic monitor, and the physical clutter of wires. The Meta Quest 4 completely decimates those boundaries. The moment the pass-through cameras activate, you are looking at your actual room in hyper-realistic, high-definition color, but with a massive change. Floating seamlessly in front of you are infinite, beautiful desktop displays stretching from your floor to your ceiling. You can track a massive database on your left, write complex code directly in front of you, and run a high-fidelity visual simulation on your right, all while maintaining perfect awareness of your physical surroundings. The system tracks your eyes with microscopic accuracy, knowing exactly what you are looking at before your hand even moves to click. It removes the mechanical friction of mice and keyboards, turning your natural human gestures into the ultimate interface. The real breakthrough that elevates the Quest 4 into an entirely different realm of existence is the spectacular evolution of its mixed reality visual engine. In older headsets, looking at digital objects overlaid on the real world felt fake. They would floating loosely, shimmer unnaturally, or look transparent. The spatial computing brain inside this machine continuously maps your physical environment down to the millimeter, analyzing the exact layout of your walls, tables, and furniture, while simultaneously calculating the direction and intensity of the actual light in your room. When a digital object is placed on your physical table, it casts a realistic shadow that matches your room's Ray-All light bulbs. If you walk behind a physical wall, the digital object is hidden perfectly behind it. This flawless spatial anchoring creates a profound illusion in your brain. It stops looking like a video game and starts looking like physical matter that actually exists in your space.